Schukill Valley Nature Center is right here at Hagee's Mill Road and Port Royal Avenue. And I'll show you what it looks like. Got a nice driveway here. Very beautiful scenic approach to the nature center. Here with injured wildlife, and they'll take care of it for you. They leave it outside some nights. They come to feed the wildlife. It's a very beautiful place. They need all the donations they can get. It's not open that much anymore. They care for wildlife down here, and they protect wildlife. The neatest place there is. I don't think it's open Sundays, maybe. Depends on how many visitors they can get. And that's it. Just like in Florida, just like at Disney World, they got a lot of good things here. Wildlife, programs for the kids or whatever. This nature center. Big like the state park back here. A lot of people want to come back here, they never get a chance to come back here. If you want to support some place for wildlife, this is the place to support. There's solar panels there. It's a display, teach people. Use solar panels. Need a green roof on there. And all kinds of gardens for replenishing habitats, buffer zones for animals. Classrooms up here and basketball courts, probably their own charter school. Very nice place. And labels on all the trees. Built their own frog pond here. So it's worth it, man. Support the Schukill Valley Nature Center, Philadelphia, PA.